As we work with objects, we placed many of them, and sometimes we had maybe difficult time to place it properly. So let's say right here I have it my cube. I create a cube and I create second cube. So I want to place it, and it's hard for me to go and kind of calculate where does it start touching. So for this we have additional tools below, and we can go over. It's a drop object and smart. So if we drop, you can see it's going till it's one object meet another one, or a surface, and it stop placing. We also have it smart drop, and see the difference. Now what it does, it's taken all surface of the bottom and correct and putting the against other one, so it is almost more natural look. Again, it's depend on what you want to achieve. So you maybe just one drop, or in many cases you just right click and make a smart drop this way. Okay. Our other one's options, we have it to drop on top of other objects. It's again, this is will help if you have it complex multiple objects and you want object put it on the surface or object below, so you can use different properties for this. And of course the smart object here. Okay. We also have it put it the drop camera. So same things as applied, we can go ahead and set in a drop camera. Okay, down below we can also using same things and a smart drop camera. So you have it all of these different properties for the dropping and placing objects. I would recommend for you to kind of more work with these ones, because many times when you start placing and you want naturally look for the rocks to place it. So for example right here, we'll create a rock. And notice I already placed the rock here, but for example if I create a rock, I bring in and want to put it down. Again, I will right click, and there's my rock properly positioning and place it on top. So similar things, if I created one rock here, we created another rock above. Notice it's already, when we're creating, it's using smart enough to place the rocks. Okay. But I always can go select one rock, for example, and just use it. Stack them properly with the effect so they look more natural this way. Okay, let's take our camera, zoom it out. Here's a rock placement with the dropping in. So those tools, they're simple, but they actually get very useful. And again, you can manage and manipulate almost all positioning with this.